Let's explore how to update your Spectrum TV app on your Samsung TV, starting with the automatic method. By default, Samsung TVs are set to automatically update apps, including Spectrum TV. This ensures you're always running the latest version with the newest features and security enhancements. First, confirm auto updates are enabled. Navigate to Settings on your Samsung TV, then select Apps, and finally ensure Auto Update is toggled on. Your TV typically checks for updates daily during low usage hours. If an update is available, it will download and install in the background. Keep in mind that the TV needs an active internet connection and at least 500 megabytes of free storage for this to work smoothly. This method is generally seamless, but occasional failures can occur due to ISP restrictions or firmware issues. If issues occur with auto updating, proceed to manually updating the app. If auto updates fail, you can manually update the Spectrum TV app. Start by opening the Samsung Smart Hub on your TV. From the Smart Hub, navigate to the Apps section and select My Apps to see your installed applications. In My Apps, find the Spectrum TV app. If an update button appears, select it to download the latest version. If there's no update button, delete the current app and reinstall it from the Samsung App Store to get the latest version. Make sure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Spectrum recommends using 5 GHz for faster and more reliable downloads. If the update still doesn't work, try clearing the app cache by going to Settings, selecting Apps, finding Spectrum TV, and choosing Clear Cache. If manual updates still fail, restart your TV as a last resort. You can also contact Spectrum customer service for further help. Keep in mind that updates are free and essential for accessing new features and preventing app obsolescence, ensuring you can continue to enjoy the Spectrum TV app.